Hi everybody, it's Will again. I decided that I was going to put out a recording. I haven't done it in a while since I got back from Thailand, but it's a lot of things I want to announce and set off. Today is my first salad day. Basically what I'm doing is creating salads because a friend of mine was ill and she just got out of the hospital. She's trying to get her strength up and so forth. So I told her I'd help her eat healthy. So basically what these are the salad greens. They go into the bottom of the salads that I'm making. Alright. Then on top of that goes the other vegetables. Okay. This is approximately 25 different vegetables that have been cut up all by hand. And I'm going to place like a couple of spoonfuls of each of this on top of the dressing. Then on top of that, I'm also going to place some fish fillet that I've cooked with I'm going to cook with my special seasoning. So some of the announcements I want to make is this year in November for my world travel, I'm going to Argentina. I chose Argentina because of the wide variety of climates that are available there. So, and one of the things I want to do is to go skiing. I've never been skiing before in my life, and that's one thing I want to do. Okay. In addition to that, I'm getting ready to come out with my line of spice mixes, and the name of my product line is going to be Shake It Baby. I've already got my logo. I'm working on the website, and it'll be out soon. There's a couple of other projects that I have that I'm going to be working on, and you guys will be apprised of it if you subscribe to my channel. That's another thing too. I haven't really been trying to get a lot of people to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to start increasing my attempts at that. Okay? And for those of you who did subscribe, thank you. I appreciate you. So I'll list off just some of the veggies that are in this mix here. It's 4 color peppers, and you might be able to spot them with your eyes. It's 4 color peppers. Let me try to zoom in some. Okay, there are 4 color peppers. There's zucchini squash. There's radishes. There's radish leaves. There's carrots. There's garlic. And all of these are fresh. Nothing out of a bag or a box. Everything has been cut by hand. Then we have broccoli, cauliflower, cucumbers, green onions, red cabbage, green beans. What else? It's just a plethora of celery. Everything that's healthy. I grated some ginger. I have almonds in there. I have golden raisins, regular raisins, cashews, just every kind of vegetable you can imagine, I put it in here. And it's all fresh, and it's all crisp, and it's all good, and it's just been cut. So it's going to bring a lot of health. So I'm not going to drag this video on anymore. What I need is some comments to tell me about if you've been to Argentina, or you're planning on going, or you know anything about that country. I would appreciate if in the comments you would give me some ideas as to where I can travel. What I can do while I'm there. I'm planning on being there for 11 days and just want to get it right. Okay, so from my first ever salad day, I bid you goodbye.